Facts about the John Deere tractor. John Deere tractors are a product of Deere & Company, a company that employs over 50,000 people throughout the world. Deere & Company also manufactures lawn mowers, irrigation equipment, forestry equipment and construction equipment. History. John Deere was founded in 1837. The company began producing tractors in 1918, after purchasing the maker of Waterloo Boy tractors. The Model A and Model B tractors, produced from 1934 and 1935 to 1952, were the most popular tractors in company history. Types. As of 2010, Deere & Company produces several lines of tractors, designed for work in agriculture, lawn and garden, construction and forestry. Appearance. John Deere tractors and other equipment are green and yellow with a logo of a jumping deer. According to the company website, the origin of this color scheme is unknown. The earliest evidence of the color scheme is in the 1905 Deere Weber catalog.